Welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome for you today. Another salad. What is it? Broccoli pasta with sun-dried tomatoes. You know something? Everybody on my channel seems to like my soups and my salads. So I might be changing my name to Mr. Salad Man or Soup Man. But anyways, take a look at this. The combination of the oils, the pasta, the broccoli, and the sun-dried tomatoes makes this absolutely one perfect dish. Let's get going here now. Get yourself a pot with boiling water, and I want you to add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Now you can use more if you want, but here I'm going to use the salt within the combination of when I put everything together, so I'm not going to add any further salt. Now I want you to add half a package of dried bow tie or spiral shaped pasta, or even whole wheat pasta, whatever you like. Now get yourself one of these fancy steamer contraptions, and I want you to put that on top of the pot like this, and I want you to add 2 cups of broccoli cut into bite-sized pieces, and this way everything will cook faster and more evenly, and it's more convenient. So cover it, and after 2 or 3 minutes let's remove it and rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process. Now I want the pasta to be cooked only halfway through, not la dente, but halfway through, so it's still a little bit raw. Grab yourself a large pan and let's add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite olive oil. Now, keeping the heat on medium, I want you to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now once the temperature is up and it's frying, I want you to reduce the heat down to low because I do not want to overcook the garlic nor the oil. Now this is an option. I'm adding half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. If you want to add more, go ahead. If you don't want to add any, don't do it. And here comes the flavoring. I'm adding half a cup of oil-packed sun-dried tomatoes. I want them drained and I want them chopped. Now as for pepper, add as much as you want. It will make your day, trust me. Now start adding your pasta to the pan, and I want you to increase the heat up to medium. Now remember, you're going to have some of the salty water in here, so please don't add no salt. And the reason I want it half cooked is because I want an infusion between the oils and the pasta. I want the pasta to suck in those flavors. Now add a ladleful of pasta water into it, or 2 depending on how long it's going to cook, and stir it really evenly. And now what I like you to do is basically just cover it and let it go for about another 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and what I like you to do is take one of the pasta bowls, and I want you to bite into it and see that it is tender and it is fully cooked before you go on to the next procedure. Now let's take our broccoli and add it to the top just like this. Now add half a cup of sliced cherry tomatoes. Just look at the colors in this dish. Add about a 1/4 cup of sliced black olives or green olives, whichever you prefer. Now let's add some parsley. Here's a little trick. Put it into a glass cup or plastic cup and just take your scissors and just chop away. See how easy it is? This is about a 1/4 cup, and we put that over the dish. Now to finish it off, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese. If you want to add more, go ahead. But you know something? I just want a small accent taste of it because this thing's already very flavorful. Now let's just fold it in, warm it up, and serve it immediately. Now let's bring it in just to tease you. Just take a look at this, the taste, the oils, everything combined together. It's really out of this world. And guess what? This is my lunch. So all I can say now is thank you for watching the video, and once again, I have to say goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.